So I fitted my diesel heater in, and it is under there, under the seat. And the control unit is there. If I press that button, everything lights up. And if I press and hold it on, it will then start to, it'll go on. Press it again, and that'll end it. Press return. If I go to cold, that's cool there, here. Press that and it should go blue. And it goes blue for cool. And it goes straight onto cool there. Now. And for vents, I've put a vent on the side of the seat which draws in air there. And I've put a dropout vent in the door well, footwell. The air intake underneath the van. Silencer there. The exhaust underneath the van there.